October is already here, and that welcomes the start of Q4, the best time of year for your Shopify store. As always, I have 3 more winning products for you to sell this month. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our winning products notifications. You'll find that link down below. And if you're new here, my name's Alex. I cover all things ecom on this channel, so remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So in case you guys didn't know, the best time to start an ecom business is right now, the end of the year, that period October through December, otherwise known as Q4. The reason behind that is the increase in consumer spending and sales as people start preparing for the holiday season ahead of time. So in other words, no dropshippers go broke at the end of the year. So the first winning product that I have for you guys to sell are these vacuum sealer bags. And I chose this product because I said with food prices rising worldwide, people are buying their meat and food products in bulk because it's cheaper. They need to be able to increase the shelf life. That's where this product helps out. There's also many additional marketing angles such as clothing, closets, and travel. With these bags right here, you guys can also store your clothes in there and increase your closet space and all of that. These bags are also gaining popularity fast on Amazon with thousands of 5-star reviews posted just this year. So these bags come in different packs. You guys can buy 5, 10, 15, 20, and they all come with this little vacuum seal pump right there to keep all of your produce fresh. And the cost of this product is $6.94 with free shipping on AliExpress. And that is for 10 bags with the pump right there. You guys can sell that set for $39.99 for a profit of $33.05 per sale, or a profit margin of 83%. That's a great product with some great margins. If you guys want to start off testing this with Facebook ads, you guys can target kitchen, food storage, and meat cutter as your 3 interests. So let's go over 2 stores that are already successfully selling this product and see what they're doing right. Alright, so the first store that we have selling this product is QQ Bed, and it looks like some sort of a general or home goods type store, because at the top you can see patio cover, patio cushions, storage bags, all products, so some type of household essentials. As you guys can see right here, it's a 20-pack vacuum sealer food storage bags with hand pump. They're selling it for $14.95, marked down from $27.99. So they already have a pricing advantage right here, but it really doesn't look like it's going to be hard to outsell this company because this product page isn't very detailed. So you guys can see they have the basic AliExpress type description right here with just a couple of bullet points. They don't have any reviews, no FAQs. They have the you may also like section right here with similar and related products. As you guys can see, they hit the multiple angles with this product as well, because they have the same vacuum storage bags right here with different clothing items to help with your closet, and then right here they're marketing it as food bags instead. And the second product page is just a simple Amazon listing. I wanted to show you this right here with all of the reviews, the different options available, as well as some of the content that you guys can use. I would definitely go through and copy a lot of these FAQs, import these reviews to your store using some sort of a review importer app, and you guys are good to go. As you guys can see right here, all of the Amazon customers are satisfied with this purchase, so it proves that this is a great product to sell. Product number 2 are these laser gloves. You guys can't leave out any Halloween type products around this time of year. Halloween is around the corner and people are out shopping already. You can see the peak in interest on Google Trends as you guys look in the right hand corner down there. It's a great time to take advantage of the trend and sell Halloween products. There are already tons of AliExpress videos that you can use for branded content and video ads on Facebook or TikTok, whatever your marketing strategy is. So you guys can see these little laser finger lights down here. It's a type of glove, as well as the peak in interest on Google Trends for Halloween costumes as people are already out shopping. And the cost of this product is $27.90 with free shipping on AliExpress. I'm sure you guys can negotiate that pricing down just a little bit. And the selling price I would sell it for is $99.99 for a profit of $72.09 per sale. That's a profit margin of 72%, so another great product with great profit margins. And the 3 interests I would start off targeting on Facebook ads for this product would be Halloween, costume party, and some sort of laser interest. So let's go over 2 stores that are already successfully selling this product and see what we can improve on. Alright, so these gloves are actually full color gloves, and we'll go back to the green ones in just a moment. I just want to look at the structure of this product page right here. But this is from KTV Laser. So these are the full color Laser gloves, not really sure how to say that. They're selling them for $179.90 with 35 almost 5-star reviews, marked down from $259.99, saving 31% on this product. They have a ton of different options right here, all colors. They have the green laser lights, which we just looked at, red, blue, and some sort of blue-green. So if we keep scrolling, you guys can see the description right here. They have a ton of branded content on here. And it honestly just looks really messy. I would organize this a lot more myself if I was selling this product. They have a ton of good reviews on display down here, so that's a really good option. You may also like, they show their different laser type products as well as the upsell frequently bought together. You guys can add both of those to your cart to save however much percent that is right there. All right, same set of gloves from GlowFX right here. We have the GlowFX laser gloves green. This time they're selling them for $279, and it's not marked down from any compare at price. They have 3 5-star customer reviews right there. I would definitely go through and add more myself. And they have the laser star caps right here as an upsell option. You can add those for $40. I would definitely clean this up a little bit more to make people compelled to actually buy that upsell. But if we keep going, they have high quality branded content down here. Keep looking at their description. It actually looks like it's written pretty well. They have their logo in multiple places. Related products down here. So yeah, just your basic, product page. I would definitely add a lot more to this if I was selling it for, $280. You really have to go through and convince these users why your product is worth that much, and add a lot more, customer testimonials, how it works, why it's high quality, why your brand, all that stuff, customer FAQs, import customer reviews, everything to do with that. You guys just need to justify that high pricing point if you're gonna sell a high ticket item like this. All right, product number 3 you guys should be somewhat familiar with, and it's the Halloween projector. This is a seasonal product that picks up every year around this time. This projector is perfect for movies, decorations, and more. If you've been dropshipping for a couple of years, you've for sure seen this product elsewhere. Surprisingly, it's trending once again. This proves that it's not yet saturated and makes a great Halloween product to sell right now. This costs $34.99 on AliExpress with free shipping. Once again, you guys can probably negotiate that price down by talking to multiple suppliers. But I would sell this product for $104.99 for a profit of $70 per sale, or a profit margin of 67%. Once again, another great profit margin. The 3 interests I would start off targeting on Facebook ads would be Halloween, haunted attraction, as well as horror films. So let's go ahead and take a look at one viral TikTok that's currently selling this product. So this video actually has 15,000 likes, almost 3,000 shares, and almost 300 comments. And it's by far the most viewed video for this product right now. You now have 3 new winning products to test this Q4. If this video helped you out, remember to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I also have our winning products notifications linked down below. Be sure to sign up for that. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.